Very good morning. Today we are discuss about Unit 3 brushless DC motor. Outline a reference list to probe coil web, major application, basic working principle illustrated, typical same configuration in application, application notes, major specifications, limitations, and many more relevant issues in applications such as how to choose, cost information, where to buy, etc. The major applications in theory, brushless DC motor can potentially be used in any type of application where brushed DC motors are currently employed. Certain limitations like cost primarily, however, prevent them for replacing brushed motors in common areas of use. Areas in which brushless DC motor currently dominate include specialized applications where higher torque, longer product life, or even more precision is required, such as computer, hard drives, CD, DVD players, and PC cooling fans mechanism within office products like laser printer and photocopies, as well as industrial automation equipment. It should be noted that because of their ease of operation when torque high precision required, such as servo motor construction, brushless DC motors are growing choice when designing this type of applications, and since the ratio torque delivered to the size of motor is higher than in other motor types, brushless DC motor is very useful in applications where space and weight are critical factors. Major applications here are some detailed examples of DC brushless motor application. Industrial automation, fan, PC and ceiling, electrical power steering, electric vehicle traction drive, office automation equipment, servo drive, HVAC system, air handling equipment, refrigerator, washing machine, blowers. Basic working principle illustrated. To understand how to brushless DC motor operates, first it is necessary to understand the working principle of conventional brushed DC motors. In these motors, voltage applied to the rotating part of the motor generates a magnetic field that opposes that stationary part of the motor, including the movement. In other words, the magnetic field induced by the polarity of the applied voltage causes a rotor realign itself in respect to the stator magnetic field. Basic working principle illustrated. Brushes make mechanical contact with the commutator, and each turn assures the required range of polarity. A circuit is created between the power supply and the contacts on the rotor by means of the stator coil windings. At each side of the commutator, shaped as a two-side rings, turns. Brushes changes the applied polarity, inverting the magnetic field. This is due to fact when the coil is perpendicular to the field, the current must be reversed in direction for torque to remain in the same direction. A basic working principle illustrated. The brushless motor system consists of a wound stator, a permanent magnet rotor, a rotor position sensor, a solid state switching assembly. On the brushless DC motor, the commutation is controlled electrically for rotation to be achieved. The stator winding have to be energized in a sequence. The most common type of brushless DC motor includes 3 stator windings. Every sequence has one of the windings energized to positive, the second to negative, and third is a non-energized condition. A basic working principle illustrated. In place of a stator with brushless and a rotating ring, the effect is achieved as with every sequence 2 windings are energized through multi-phase inverter controllers, and the rotation occurs except this case a winding energized, there are no brushes. Torque is then generated from the interaction between the magnetic field from the stator coil according to the current input, and the permanent magnet. The peak torque occurs, 2 fields are at 90 degree to each other, and the faults of the field moves together. To keep the motor running, the magnetic field should shift alongside the rotor, hence the sequencing. From everything stated, it can be inferred that brushless DC motor is not really direct current device, but rather than actually a multi-phase AC motor with position feedback that can be controlled like a DC motor. A basic working principle illustrated. The adjacent image, the scheme representation of a 2-phase brushless motor. See reference. The torque output of a phase T is equal to Ia into Z phi divided by 2 pi sin P theta divided by 2. Here Ia KT sin P theta divided by 2. Here Ia is a current in phase A, then KT is a Z into phi divided by 2 pi. Torque constant power P is equal to number of poles. The total torque is equal to T is equal to TA plus TB. Then IP KT into sin squared P theta divided by 2 plus cos squared P theta divided by 2. And theta is the angular of position. Then TP is equal to IP into KT cos P theta divided by 2. Basic working principle illustrated. An animation 3-phase brushless DC motor provides the sensor magnetic web page. From this animation, entire described process can be viewed in a real time as well as step by step. A typical same configuration in application, brushless DC motors are normally driven using 3-phase bridge. In this circuit, Hall effect sensors are used for position feedback. A commutation pattern is used to select which of the 6 transistors are used. Thank you.